Google CEO Sundar Pichai has addressed the ongoing issues with the company's AI chatbot Gemini, formerly Bard, describing some of the AI chatbot's responses as problematic and showing bias. Notably, Google had recently paused Gemini's text-to-image generation capabilities after a social media uproar over some of the images generated by the chatbot. Addressing the recent controversy surrounding Gemini, Pichai wrote a memo to Google employees in which he called some of Gemini's responses unacceptable and admitted that the tech giant got it wrong. Pichai wrote in the letter, quoted by The Verge, "I want to address the recent issues with problematic text and image responses in the Gemini app, formerly Bard. I know that some of its responses have offended our users and shown bias. To be clear, that's completely unacceptable, and we got it wrong. Our teams have been working around the clock to address these issues. We're already seeing a substantial improvement on a wide range of prompts. No AL is perfect, especially at this emerging stage of the industry's development, but we know the bar is high for us and we will keep at it for however long it takes. And we'll review what happened and make sure we fix it at scale."